Assalam Alaikum. My name is Muhammad Furqan Aziz, and in today's topic we will discuss how to use an align command. So for purpose of align command, I have already made a block, and in my previous session I have told you how to make a block, and I will just copy it and then I will also draw a line for specifying the length of our bed. So I will go with 5 feet and so for using a line command you have to type AL, enter. It will ask you to select object and then enter again. It will ask you about the source point. First you have to select the source point and then you have to select that point which you want it to be done, and then again select source point and then again and right click and yes, and it will become 5 feet in length. And we will go with dimensions. For dimensions you have to type DLI as we had discussed in our previous session. So this is the 5 feet, and then again for line this is also 5 feet. So this is it. Thank you, have a nice day, hope it would be beneficial for you, and kindly subscribe my channel for more updates, exciting lectures. Allah Hafiz.